Come test drive the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control
and is priced below $45,000.
This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive,
power passenger seat, heated seats, Bose sound system,
traction control, anti-lock braking system,
navigation system, XM satellite radio, running boards.
If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.